Ever launched an AI agent that looked brilliant in demo, then fell flat in the real world? The model isn't the problem. The problem is that we drop agents into work processes and data sets built for people, not for machines. Hi, this is Karthik. I am from Nurix. Agentic AI stumbles when it meets human-shaped workflows and fragmented data. Give the agent clear rule-based steps and clean machine-readable information and it just works. Drop it into guesswork and half-filled fields, it crashes. Take a look at your approval flow in ops and finance. Pointers like check with your manager or use your judgment make sense to people because we know who the manager is and what good judgment feels like. However, AI sees a brick wall. With no rule to follow, it times out, escalates, or guesses wrong. Agents ask for the same clarification twice, or they loop repeatedly asking for the latest invoice because the workflow never defines where that file lives or what latest means. When no one ensures the workflow, every team adds its own branch. Handoffs multiply, edge cases explode, and rescue paths are non-existent. Picture trying to drive across the town, but every intersection changes its traffic rules halfway through the day. That's what an agent has to go through. A single ticket is reassigned to 4 different owners in one day. Jira might have it tagged as in progress, but the shared spreadsheet could have it blocked for the same exact task. Docs live in Notion, SharePoint, local Excel files. Which one is the truth? Agents can read them all, but they can't judge which version is current. Add industry jargons, like humans happily swap terms MRP, MSRP, ASP, X factory, and know the context, because they are working in that specific industry for years. But an untrained agent treats each acronym as a new concept and freezes. A simple fix, such as keeping one glossary of approved terms and feeding it to the model, can make a major difference. Even when you have a single system, key fields are half empty or out of date. A CRM that shows blank renewal intent or a Jira ticket that marked priority equal to TBD gives the agent nothing to decide on. This would lead agent to bounce queries back to human for every edge cases. Dashboards filled with unknown or null values that block actions. Early demos shine through. However, the real deployments halt on the invisible gaps. Teams handwrite rules to cover the edge cases instead of fixing the root cause. Leaders see AI stumble and decide it's hype. Budgets move elsewhere, and people now have to babysit the agent and keep doing the original work twice. The environment, not the agent, is to blame. That's exactly where Nurix steps in. We ensure that workflows become deterministic. Every step needs a trigger, an action, a success test, a timeout rule, and a fallback. Every workflow includes explicit checkpoints where the right person can review, override, and enrich the agent's decision before it moves on. We ensure the system is designed to align with your organizational structure so that each edge case routes automatically up the current chain of command. No guessing, no ad hoc fixes. Agentic AI isn't magic. It's a powerful worker that follows instructions exactly as written. No more, no less.